guys, so welcome to the video. So today I got the playing board, so 2-pack. So let's see what we're gonna have inside. Oh, by the way, it is only for age over 14 years old because this is a little bit dangerous, but yeah, it's suitable for 14 years old. So we have like 2 colors, which is the glasses and the blue one. And we also got like 2 controllers, 2 USB for charge. So let's see, let's just talk about one of the flying board. So at the bottom you will see this is the switch, USB for charge, infrared ray, which is where you can feel your hand, the ball can feel your hand, and then you can control like up or down. So let's now turn it on first. There you go. If you want to turn it off, use the controller to press the button. There you go. So I'll show you how to play in the next video. Thank you for watching.